leaves on the trees are talking, with such majesty and grace they move. My cadence slows, but I keep walking. Their beauty surrounds me with nothing to prove. Birds fill the forest with song, the river and breeze now join their crescendo. This orchestra my companion as I stroll along, path winding and ends into a most colourful meadow. A pastel of sweet fragrance bombard the senses. A little bench calls for me to rest. I sit a while making use of my lenses, capturing nature at its very best. Time stops for a moment as I slowly breathe, asking for forgiveness when I didn't want to leave.